Let's unpack the components that we ordered from arduinopak. So these are the components we have received. Let's check them out. So these are the dip switches and the battery holders. So we ordered not couple of, but 5 to 10 battery holders for 3.7 volt lithium cell. These are the switches, and these are the SMD LEDs and the dip switches to control the sensors, and a couple of flame sensors, and finally the thermistors to measure the temperature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our techlifefusion channel.